give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do, easy give to you, easy give to you. I invite Vishnu Case for the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Now we have Ansia to share today's thought.
Good morning to all. Today's thought for the day is kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless.
Thank you, Ansia. Next, I invite Fatima Sinha for a rhyme. Good morning. Wake up, it's a long day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It makes too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress and come on up. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Thank you. Thank you, Sinha, for the melodious rhyme. Lack of hygiene is reason for many diseases. Personal hygiene is as important as environmental hygiene. Here, we have Dion Emmanuel with a speech on topic personal hygiene. Good morning to all, respected teachers and dear friends. Today, I am here to speak a few words on personal hygiene. Now, the world is frightened by the name of Corona. The one and only remedy for this situation is to keep personal hygiene. So, the subject is very relevant today. What is hygiene? Simply, it means keeping ourselves and our surroundings clean. Health and hygiene go hand in hand. Hygiene is not a matter of choice, but it is our responsibility. Failure of keeping hygiene can be lead to serious health hazard to us and the people around us. Hygienic routine has to become the part of our lifestyle. Personal hygiene forming good habits such as taking a bath daily, wash our hand before and after our meal, brushing teeth twice a day, etc. Such habits help in preventing any kind of communicable diseases. Nowadays, we should wear masks properly, use sanitizer and wash hands at regular interval. Such a personal hygiene plays a vital role in one's life. Surely, we can overcome this situation. Let me conclude. Thank you all. Thank you, Dion. Now, let us find out what our friends miss most about our school.
students. I think you all are doing well. Study well, do your homeworks regularly, play well also. Our Panchayat election is nearby. Try to understand the procedure behind it. The announcement of the election, nomination, withdrawal, polling, and finally counting and announcement of the result. Note the important things in your social science notebook. Today's class assembly is conducted by 3rd standard D students. They have done a wonderful job. The brain behind it is Sophia teacher. I appreciate Sophia teacher and her kids for their wonderful performance. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. Now let us get ready for the national anthem. Standard please. Attention. Janaganamana Adinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidada Punjab Hindu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Ukkala Benga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Karanga Taba Shubha Name